Barbecue fam, today we're smoking up some pig shots on a pellet grill. Oh hell yeah, check this out. Easy to do, tailgating season's here. Let's get into it. Soften your cream cheese. Super thick cut bacon, keep cold. Pack of sharp cheddar. 1 cup of shredded cheese, your favorite. We're gonna mix that all up, but first we're gonna cut up some wheels of jalapeno, and we're gonna cap these with jalapeno slices. And if you have extras, go ahead and eat them. So delicious. Now you want to mix this all up nice, and we're going to put it into a Ziploc bag so we can squeeze this into our pig shots easily. Then cap them with a jalapeno wheels, slices. Mix this up nice. And then you're halfway there. Let's hit it with your favorite rub. Something with a little bit of heat. Something, whatever you like, sweet heat. That's a good one too. But I'm using Uncle Steve's Smoke Bomb in this. Couple tablespoons. Over, under. You're gonna be fine. Give that a good mix. Now you're kicking up the flavor. You can smell it. Oh yeah. Take your mixture, throw it in a Ziploc, and we're gonna cut a corner. Squeeze this into our pig shots. Now it's time to put these together. We gotta slice the bacon. Thick cut bacon in half. Take the thicker side. Save the other half for breakfast. Cajun smoked andouille sausage. Oh yeah. Bam, bam, bam. We're making 12 of these guys. Save the other half for breakfast. So you want 1/2-inch pucks. Now the end piece doesn't count. Save that for breakfast. Now a hangover breakfast, sometimes you need a lot of protein to get through, a little bit of grease from bacon, and probably some hash browns. It happens. 1/2-inch pucks. You go bigger, it's fine. You go smaller, you get more stuff inside. This is just the base to your smoked pig shot. Thick cut bacon. And you're gonna grab that sucker, throw her down, grab this guy here. We're gonna make it easy. Roll her on up. Bam, bam, bam. The bam was supposed to go away smoothly. Nope. Anyway. You get a little overlap, no problem. Take a pick, slam it through, hold this all together. Now, couldn't find my normal toothpicks, so I got these big fancy paddle ones. You can use whatever you got, just like I'm doing. Bam. Slap this guy around. We're making some shot glasses. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Look at this guy. So easy to do. Easy's good. Easy's fun. Easy is usually the best meal ever. It really is. Get that bacon pretty tight, but it's going to constrict when it cooks. That means it's probably going to push out a little bit of your insides. So whatever cheese you're using, you might want not to fill it right to the top. But my idea is cap it with these jalapeno slices and it'll hold it down in. Got your cream cheese with your shredded. What we're gonna do, we're gonna snip that tip. Oh. Snip the tip, boys. Snip the tip. Woo. Squeeze this down in to our pig shots, making it easy to fill. Oh, so easy. So easy. You just gotta pinch it off. You gotta pinch it off. But once they're filled up, you can push it down in with your jalapeno slice. Or you can dice up your jalapenos and put it into your mixture. Your call. And guess what? This is the first time doing pig shots here. I see many ideas going from here. Now, if you've seen some things I've done with jalapeno poppers, you know where I'm going. I got some ideas for this. Bam! Throw these on a wire rack, and we're gonna get our pellet grill up to 3. We're putting them in for 1 hour. These bad boys are done. We had a giant storm come through, rain, thunder, lightning, all that good stuff. Even an explosion about 7 blocks away. Something blew up, I don't know. Smoked pig shots on the Z-Grill's 700 D3. Oh hell yeah. These pig shots need to rest for at least 15 minutes because the inside is gonna be so hot. So let's let these guys rest and let's get a taste test. Oh hell yeah. It's time. We must taste one of these pig shots. Look at this guy. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that. That looks rocking. Pull it off the giant toothpick. Check the bottom. The whole thing. Oh, she's a little warm, but let's get into this. Oh, that looks just perfect. Pig shots, bottoms up. Oh, that's winter. It's raining. The wind's blowing. That is good. Oh yeah. Man. Come on. Check these things out. I mean, that is so good. You guys must do that for sure. Everybody will be talking about it at every party you got. Just do it. Easy and delicious. Jalapeno poppers, you got competition. Dang. And the best thing is, these can be so crazy, over the top creative. Get out there, make your own pig shots, do something nuts. I'm about to go crazy and make something. I ain't gonna tell you. I got 2 versions next up this year for sure. Football season's here. Come on guys, comment down below. Who's your favorite team and what would you stuff into a pig shot? Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. We need one more. And that chunk's for breakfast. Oh no, that one came apart. I have to fix it. Oh come on, not now.